Good morning. Drink your milk. Drink the milk. You're being silly. You ready to go to school? Say, let's go. What are you doing? What? Oh, do you need help?
Yes.
Okay. You say, good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Mwah. Hello. Good morning. Happy Monday. Hello. Oh, just got out of my workout. I am a shorty mesh. I'm not gonna lie, I skipped abs today. Which I probably shouldn't have because that's the thing, you know, I need to do, but don't care. So I have to run over to World Market and then Target. I need to pick up just like random things from Target that we just like need before I go touching my face and everything. But I grabbed the wrong coffee yesterday. I did like a Target pickup for coffee and milk, and I grabbed ground coffee, and Scott doesn't like ground coffee for making cold brew. He likes to whole bean and then grind it himself. So I went and got the wrong one. So I'm gonna have to pick that up. Just some random stuff. All right, we're back from the Target. Figured I'd show you really quickly everything that I got. I grabbed some magic erasers just for some spots around the house. We have some like marks in our paint and whatnot. We needed toothpaste, so grab some toothpaste. We also needed some toilet bowl cleaner, so grab that. This is a brand that I've been wanting to try, Naturium. I think it's Naturium. I don't know. It's their complex vitamin C complex serum. So I follow this girl on Facebook, I want to say, or something. I can't not remember her name for the life of me. The lady who created this, I think. But I've run out of my Verb vitamin C, and I just want to try something different. Their prices are decent. They're like 20 bucks for this. It's really good quality. I mean, the packaging is, and it's in glass, so it was like 20 bucks, I want to say. So it's got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid and vitamin E. So hopefully I like this guy. I'm excited to give it a go. I wanted to try a face cream from her as well, but I wanted to wait until I finished my current one before I try one. But if you've tried it, let me know. Yeah, so there's that. Oh, this I've been meaning to get my hands on for like ever, and I have never been able to find it. It's the Tropic Glow Firming Whipped Shea Butter. This is supposed to be very similar to the Boom Boom Cream. And y'all, it smells the same, it looks the same, so I'm super excited, and I'll keep you posted if I like this. I'm probably gonna use it today. I also got the scrub. This is also the Firming Tropic. I love Tree Hut's scrubs, they're so good. Smells like the Boom Boom Cream, the Bum Bum Cream, whatever you wanna call it from Target, or from Sephora, if you know, Sol de Janeiro or whatever. So yeah, I was not planning to get those, but I saw them and I was like, I need those because they're never in stock when I want them. I was so excited to see these back in stock. I thought they discontinued them because I can't get them anywhere, but they have the barbecue Quest chips. These are my absolute favorite flavor and texture. I grabbed just a bunch of canned veggies, some peanut butter, and jelly, again, for quick and easy things for Arlo. And that's that. And then last but not least, what's in here? I don't even remember. Socks for Arlo. Some coffee for Scott. I was like, did I get ground beans? No. Whole beans. And then dishwasher pods. All right, you guys. So I'm super excited for today's sponsor of this video, which is Aura. They are a digital picture frame, which is amazing. If you guys know, I got one of these for my first Mother's Day from Scott. I absolutely had no idea how much I would fall in love with it, and I loved it so much that we actually gifted one to my dad. So I already have the Aura app set up on my phone. Like I said, we do it for my dad. Anybody can add to the album that is like authorized to use it, and it has unlimited storage, which is awesome. You don't have to worry about filling up storage. You don't have to keep phones on your, like, pictures on your phone. You can upload them to this. So first of all, the box already comes looking beautiful. Like it's a little gift box, so you don't have to worry about wrapping it, which is awesome. This back part just like peels off, so it makes a beautiful gift. And if you haven't heard of Aura before, I don't know how, because Oprah made it her top favorite things. You know that episode? My mom always wanted to go to that episode for like 3 years in a row. Like, just so you know, last year the Aura frames completely sold out, so you don't want to miss out. Go ahead and check out the description box down below. I have a coupon code for you guys and all that good stuff, so you don't miss out on a Mother's Day gift. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys so you can see all the fun details. It's been recommended on 130 gift guides, been called out by New York Times, the Wall Street Journal, Forbes magazine, everything like that, that it is the best gift to give somebody in your life. So the cool thing is you can already preload it with pictures already, so you can give it to them and they can set it right up and they can start seeing the pictures that you've already put up. I absolutely love that. The cool thing also about Aura is there's no subscription fees. You literally don't pay to like continue to store your photos or anything. There's no hidden fees, no nothing. You buy the frame and it is yours to upload. So this specific frame is actually going to Arlo's granny, Scott's mom, because we are moving to Chicago. So I thought it would be the perfect way to keep her connected to Arlo while he's gone. And I love how it fits in really nicely with your high-end decor. It feels super nice, and I love the rigid details on it. It just makes it look extra special and high-end. Again, a huge shout out to Aura for sponsoring this portion of today's video. You guys know I work with brands that I truly love, and this is a brand that has made my dad so happy, especially being so far away from Arlo, and I know it will make any mother happy as well, because moms at the end of the day just want time with you, and this is such a way to connect with people even if you're not right there. So I know life can get a little busy and we forget, but moms are so freaking important. Take it from me, someone who doesn't currently have my mother with me, what I would do to get her back. So don't forget to make your mom feel special this Mother's Day and get her an Aura frame so you can update her on her fur baby, on your life. Maybe you're just like traveling or whatever the case may be. If you have a grandchild, like, it's such a special gift. Go ahead and check out the links in the description box below and grab your Aura frame for your special mother in your life.
You can save money by purchasing the second watch. If you have a prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now.
Fresh, clothed, you can see me in the background. I showered, I actually took a bath, and I used the scrub and the lotion. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I don't know if it has a glow to it, I don't think it does, but it smells exactly the same and it feels really, really nice and whipped. And I mean, it feels like lotion on my skin, but not in like a super greasy, tacky way. So excited for that. Did a simple makeup look, but I wanted to let you guys know what I picked up from Amazon the other day. Another Elta MD sunscreen in tinted. If you do not know, you need this. It's so freaking good. I got this a couple of, maybe like a week ago. I've yet to wear it. I need to. I've been buying a lot more jewelry. You'll see. What the heck? Here we go. I need to put it in my jewelry container. Anywho, it's one of these like little coined like choker necklace things. I thought it would be really cute. I don't ever really wear necklaces, to be honest with you. And then I got a bunch of little silver hoops. So I'll show you these ones. I just wanted a basic like larger hoop. It's pretty thick and I like that. They're really lightweight though. I think this whole set was like 13 bucks. I got these ones that are braided, which are cute. So they're much bigger than my typical. This is my like everyday hoop that I wear, so obviously much bigger, but I wanted something a little bit different. These are really small little hoops, very similar to the size that I just showed you. Then we've got these ones, which are fun, that are square. They're rectangular. These ones, which are kind of like a mid between the big ones and my littlest ones that I just showed you. And then these ones, which have a fun little like texture to them. I think that's it. Yeah, those are all my earrings that I just recently picked up. but I've got some editing to do. I think I'm gonna go make a breakfast sandwich though, because I took out bacon and I was waiting for it to thaw out while I had my protein shake. So let's go downstairs and make a breakfast sandwich. So I made biscuits the other day, like these little pull apart biscuits. I'm gonna use that for my biscuit sammy. It's like 1:30, it's fine. So I'm just gonna split that in half. Yay, and I'm actually not gonna warm it up because I really like cold biscuits. I know it's weird, but whatever. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some turkey bacon in my air fryer. I have no idea what we're gonna make for dinner tonight. Literally no idea. We have pizza actually left over. Do we have enough to make it dinner tonight? Probably. Maybe I'll just make a really quick little salad to go with it. We ordered Thunderbird. Oh yeah. Yeah, we'll eat this again for dinner tonight. We ordered Thunderbird pizza, which is a Detroit style pizza, and it is freaking amazing. If y'all live in Detroit, like, how is y'all's pizza not like way more popular? I had never heard of it until we went to eat ice cream at this place, and it was there. So yeah, so good. Make up some scrambled eggs. Okay, so the salad that we had last night from Thunderbird Pies had these, like, I think they're called cherry drop peppers or something like that. Oh my gosh, my hair. And they were so good in this salad. So I want to go grab some, try and turn on my volume. Go grab some from Sprouts. I'm pretty sure they have an olive bar situation, if I remember correctly. So I can grab a couple different things. I like roasted red peppers in there, but my biggest thing is if they have those cherry peppers, they're so good. I have butter lettuce left over, I have romaine, and I also have spring mix. So the what was I saying? The lettuce is not the issue. And then I need to find some sort of dressing. I find dressings just really hard. I'm not typically like a creamy dressing sort of girl. I typically make my own dressings. But I don't know. I'm not a ranch girl. I like Italian. I don't know. We're just gonna see what they have. Could really go for like a Greek vinaigrette sort of thing. I like those. I like vinaigrettes. I don't know. I haven't been to Sprouts in an eternity, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna come home and edit the rest of our life away and eat pizza and salad for dinner again tonight because we have it and I don't want it to go bad. And I'm feeling very lazy because I've had a very busy day. Like, I've filmed and I've edited. I ran a bunch of errands this morning, so we've had a very productive Monday. Do a little grocery haul because I did not expect to actually get very much there, but I did. Not that much, but I love Sprouts. I forgot how much I used to love it there. I used to shop there all the time. It's just kind of pricey. So Zevia, I used to drink Zevia, and by used to, I mean, okay, I drank Zevia for the first time when I was pregnant. My Gynecologist recommended not drinking soda. So I tried this. I don't know if it was much better, but it's Zevia. It's like a 0-calorie soda. Basically, I like fun drinks in the middle of the day to like hold me over. And typically I drink sparkling water. Like I have a bubbly here, which is one of my faves, but I thought I would try out the Zevia. Hi, Miss Mayonnaise. I was gone for like 5 minutes. You're fine. I grabbed a bunch of seaweeds since my Trader Joe's has not been having seaweeds. This is the roasted seaweed spicy. I've never tried these, but I have tried hers, this Annie one. This is the sesame. This is the sea salt and vinegar, which I've never tried. Teriyaki. And I grabbed 2 poppies. I grabbed the watermelon and the strawberry lemonade. Again, I just can't find these typically everywhere. I've never tried this and I've heard good things about it. It's the bitchin' sauce, the original one. They have a bunch of different flavors. If you've tried this, let me know what your favorite flavor is, but I don't know, I figured these would be good for like salads, bowls, whatnot. So grab that to try out. And then the whole reason I went were these little red and yellow pepper drops. So I grabbed these for the salad. Tonight I also grabbed this lemon feta antipasto. It has peppers and feta in it for the salad. And then I couldn't decide on a dressing. There was someone else right there and I was like, so I just grabbed this. I didn't even realize it was fat-free, whatever. Roasted garlic dressing and marinade. I feel like if it's a terrible dressing, I can use it as a marinade. But it goes with like everything, right? Because it's garlic. So it's not like one thing or the other. I feel like you can use it on bowls, chicken, whatever. So that's my little spread haul. Alright, so I'm just adding some regular spring mix to this guy, and I just kind of cut it up with my fingers. To like bulk up the salad. We really like pizza or salads with our pizza. I think it helps us feel better about the fact that we're eating pizza, whatever. But I really just think it helps everything flow better, you know? The greens kind of wash it all away. All right, let's taste this and see how, I feel like a grandma with these shorts on, but I absolutely love them. They're so comfortable. All right, let's taste this. I'm not gonna put all the cheese and stuff on it just yet because I wanna wait until later, but I just wanted to cut up the lettuce, so half of my job is done. Oh, yeah, it's all right. It's not that good, but I mean, it'll be good once it's dressed. So I will go ahead and massage that into the salad. A little bit later, but for now, I'll put it in the fridge. Where? That's funny, Kelly. That's funny. Where are you gonna put that?